So we have the next method with us. Children, as I said, bookkeeping, accounting would remain same. Only calculations would be different. So the question goes like this. A machine was bought for rupees 3 lakh on 1st April 16 and it was decided to depreciate the same at 10% per annum. You're supposed to prepare machine account for 4 years ending on 31st March 2020, assuming that depreciation is charged under which method? Reducing balance method. Put the question in your copies very quickly, followed by a format of ledger, date particulars, folio amount, date particulars, folio amount, extending up to 12 to 13 lines. Draw this up very fast. Chalo. So the transaction says that we have bought the machine on April 1st. What's the journal entry for purchase of machine, children? Children, journal entry for purchase of machine is what? Machinery account debit to bank. Had it been bank's ledger, हम क्या पोस्टिंग करते बच्चों? बैंक का लेजर होता तो पोस्टिंग क्या होती? बाय मशीनरी. मैं बाय नहीं बोल रहा आपको, बाय मशीनरी, बट वो तो पोस्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हम. In machinery account, what posting will be done, children? To bank. Put it very quickly, children. Ahead. Children, we bought the machine on 1st April 16 and this is the very start of the year as well. The year which starts on April 16 would certainly end when? 31st March 17, correct? What is the journal entry for charging depreciation to machinery? Had it been depreciations ledger, we would have written to machinery, but machinery है तो क्या लिखेंगे? By depreciation. 10% of 3 lakh is what? 30,000 rupees. So I hope so. देखने में सबको ये method same लग रहा है children? Children, method sounds to be same. पक्का? So debit side it is 3 lakh, credit side it is 30,000. Which side sounds short? Credit side. By what amount? Children, by what amount? Short by what amount? 2,70,000. So we'll write by balance carried down 270. Total would be 3 lakhs and brought down कितना आएगा? 270. Date क्या होगी brought down की? 1st April 2017. Heard well? Now the story has a twist. The year which starts on April 1st, 17, children, would certainly end when? 31st March 2018. What's the journal entry for charging depreciation? Depreciation to machinery. Had it been depreciation account, we could have written to machinery, but ये वो नहीं है. तो depreciation होता तो to machinery लिखते. In machinery account, what posting certainly we can do? By depreciation. Is this much heard well? बस यहां से स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट स्टार्ट है चिल्ड्रन. First year, what was the value of asset on the debit side, children? 3 lakhs. 10% of this is what? Very good. Now, the value of asset is how much? 10% of 270 is what? चलिए, कुछ लोग चाइनीज मैथ्स पढ़ के आए हैं. So those donkeys are answering 2,43,000. They were born in China actually. तो ये चाइना की मैथ्स ऐसी होती है. So children, 10% of 2,70,000 is what? 27,000. Correct? Which side again sounds to be short? Credit side. By what amount? 2,43,000. So people understood how we did this? So carried down 243, children, brought down will also be what? 243. Difference समझ में आ गया? Similarity समझ में आ गई? First year remains same irrespective it is straight line method or written down value method. Difference would start from the second year. Logic understood well? So now we have brought down of what value, children? 243. Now 10% will be calculated on what? 3 lakhs? 270. 243. इसीलिए इसको written down value method बोलते हैं. Whatsoever is the written down value, whatsoever is the balance brought down coming, on that value you are supposed to calculate depreciation. Logic understood? Pakka? Chaliye. Quickly complete this year.
Yes.
The year which starts on 1st April 2018 would end when, children? 31st March 19. What posting we will be doing for recording depreciation? By depreciation. And now we'll be calculating it on what? 2,43,000 pay 10%. How much? 24,300. Which side sounds short? What we'll write? By balance carried down or to balance carried down? By balance carried down. Get me the answer. 2,43,000 minus 24,300 sounds what? 2,18,700. Let's see it's correct or not. It's correct. So total would be 2,43,000 shown on both sides. Below the total on the debit side, we'll do what? To balance brought down. How much? 2,18,700. Now, children, again 10% will be calculated on what value? 3 lakhs, 270, 243 or something else. ये तो मेरा ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. Something else, and that something else is something else तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. But here that something else is 2,18,700. क्या पोस्टिंग करेंगे भाई? टाटा डेप्रिसिएशन. By depreciation. 10% of 218,700 is what? 21,870. समझ में आ गया सबको? Very quickly, children, very quickly calculate carried down, show the total followed by brought down. It's 1,96,830. So got the difference between straight line method and diminishing balance method. So there the amount was calculated every year on the original cost. But here, first time on original cost, then on the balance of asset every year. समझ में आया कि नहीं? पक्का? चलिए, quickly complete this, children. Quickly complete this, and then we proceed further. Be quick. Same question, children. The only difference is that now the date of purchase instead of April 1st is what? October 1st. So the year in which we have bought the asset starts in April and ends on 31st March. आपने अक्टूबर में asset खरीदा. Did we happen to use it for full year, children? No, we use it only for 6 months. तो फर्स्ट ईयर में आप डेप्रीसिएशन क्या पूरे 12 मंथ्स का चार्ज करेंगे? ओनली फॉर, बट देयर आफ्टर यू आर यूजिंग इट फॉर फुल ईयर. सो सेकेंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स डेप्रीसिएशन वुड बी चार्ज फॉर फुल ईयर. खोपड़े में बात गई? पक्का? चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. So those who have the booklet, well and good. Those who don't have, they are requested to copy the question and draw approximately a 12-line format of ledger. Same question, children, as we did last. The only difference is आपकी date of purchase is October 1st. Be quick. So again, children, what is the journal entry for asset bought? Machine bought की entry क्या होगी भाई? Machinery account debit to bank. So what posting we'll be doing had it been a bank account? By machinery. We are not preparing that. In machinery, what we'll write? Very good. 3 lakhs. Correct? 1st October 16 asset खरीदी. बच्चे ने अक्टूबर के महीने में स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया. What he would say to the principal? मेरे 12 महीने अगले बार सितंबर में कंप्लीट होंगे. मेरा फाइनल एग्जाम सितंबर में लिया जाए. बाकी सबका यू गो अहेड विद मार्च, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई विल गिव माय एग्जाम इन सितंबर. विल इट हैपन? एग्जाम तो सबको एक साथ ही देना है. किस मंथ में फाइनल एग्जाम होते हैं? जनरली March. So session of financial year as per the question ends in March. So depreciation would be charged, children, on 31st March only. What posting we'll be doing? By depreciation. We'll be calculating certainly 10% of 3 lakh. But Have we used the asset for full 12 months? Only for 6 months. So depreciation would be charged, children, for only 6 months. What would be the value? But will this be the game every year? This year we have used for 6 months. अगले साल से तो अप्रैल टू मार्च की स्टोरी चलती रहेगी, एंड देन वील बी यूजिंग इट फॉर फुल 12 months. तो पूरे साल भर के लिए कैलकुलेशन होगा. हर्ड दिस वेल? पक्का? चलिए. So let's calculate the, sorry, let's put the value. So by depreciation, how much amount will we be putting, children? 15,000. Debit side, children, 3 lakhs. Credit side, 15,000. Which side is short? Credit side. By what amount? 285. And the total would be how much? 3 lakhs. Heard the difference, children? Brought down value would be how much? 285. Which method are we being applied? We are applying which one? Reducing balance. Now, what is the value of asset appearing in our books, children? 285. So depreciation would be calculated on 3 lakh or 285. Diminishing balance hai. Had it been straight line, we would have calculated it on 3 lakhs. So again, children, by depreciation, 10% of 2,85,000 is 28,500. Carried down के बाद brought down complete करिए very quickly, children. So we have depreciation amount of 28,500. The carried down value would happen to be rupees 2,56,500. Same would be next year's brought down. And now, children, we'll be calculating depreciation on 3 lakhs, on 285, or on 256,500. 256,500. What is 10% of 256,500? 25,650. Which side again sounds to be short? Credit side. So it's 256,500 minus 25,650 is how much, children? 2,30,850. Same would be the brought down now. And अब आप depreciation 2,30,850 पे calculate करेंगे. 10% would be 23,085. Again, children, shortage happens to appear on which side? Credit side. Difference निकालेंगे आप. 207,765. समझ में आई बात? तो simply you should be knowing the ledger concept and class 5th की mathematics. That is called as chapter known depreciation. Quickly do this. Quickly.